You'll have the same opportunity to take a question in this quiz bowl from the first candidates to the second candidates, and then the panelists will give you feedback, and you are not allowed to respond back to his feedback. Understand? Yes. Okay, let's get started. From the first, Ms. Seti. What number? Okay, question number 1.
Okay.
Question number 1. How do you apply the justice principle in building relationship to make it synergistic? Once again, how do you apply the justice principle in building relationship to make it synergistic? Your time to think is only 1 minute. Start from now. Seconds left. Seconds. Time's up. You have 2 minutes to answer the questions. 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for your question. I will answer the question. I will justice is put it in the place. So if I get some problem and there are another problem, I must put this problem to the place. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Siti. It's time for panelists to give the feedback.
The last word.
Synergistic.
Synergistic.
In Indonesia, sinergisasi.
Okay. Thank you for your answer, Siti. As a principle, it is good. Your answer is good, but I hope that you can describe it deeply and you can explain more than it. I hope so, like that. I cannot give more feedback because I guess your answer is so superficially. But once more, that your answer is very visible, and that's fine. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We will on to Ms. Siti once again, guys. This is the last candidates. The fishbowl, please. Number 5. In your opinion, is it possible to apply nursing science in leadership? If it is so, please explain. Once again, in your opinion, is it possible to apply nursing science in leadership? If it is so, please explain. 1 minute to think. Searching now. 10 seconds. Time's up. Okay. Wait. Okay. Thank you for the questions. I will try to answer the questions. First is nursing science. It's possible. It's possible if it will in the leadership. I think it will be possible. It will be possible for clearly and specifically. Why? Because when we say that leadership in a nursing science, I think the nursing science is the universal of the science. I think it's like we have learned about anatomy. So the anatomy we have the body, we have the leg, we have the arm, and anything else. So when we concern with the leadership, when we concern with some organizations, I think it's similar with the anatomy principles. And then for the second argument is, as we know that nursing have the caring. So I think when the caring principle to the leadership and our organization, I think it's the important thing. Because when we not to carry each other, I think some people not to care each other, and then he will not be the strongest organization in there. And then for the last statement is just believe that nursing science is the best one science in the world that I ever learned. Thank you. That's it, my answer. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Akmal.
You're welcome, sir.
That's good answer. You can put or implement the carry concept into the model of leadership.
Yep.
Yes, leadership is a combination of art and science.
Yeah,
maybe you could also find, or you could also learn more about nursing theory, or nursing model. You can find the connection between the nursing theories and model into the leadership. It will be implemented well. And then I guess you will answer by put a kind of you will take an example of nursing theory into your answer, but maybe in another time or next time. Okay, once again, that's good opinion, and hope you will success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.